some certain things you feel catch anything. If some certain things happen to you, you feel catch everything as winch. I know the couple, you feel catch everything as winch. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I've been able to try to sort out some certain things. Yeah, because now frustration what happened to me. I don't know. I have an router. Nothing is working. Glow, MTN, and if say I want watch one kind of mumu film now, we go make me the now so you go the fast. But when it gets to something important, so I go dey pray, God, make it not fame you, make it not fame you. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I hate the fact say I won't do this thing with, because I'm so flabbergasted. I just make myself laugh because I don't the face already. I'm really angry. I'm really angry, honestly. So I would have done, maybe this would have been my second or third video, honestly. But I don't know what's going on. So we will start the analysis, yeah? And we'll start with Euro JPY, because I was supposed to start with Euro JPY. I don't know what happened the other time, but I've been able to fix it. So I will start with Euro JPY. In case you want to know, in case you don't know, the name of the application I'm currently using now is what is it called? Traders Casa. His name is a free software. Yeah, just click on the home page and then you have access to something. So I'm going to use the 15-minute time, then I will adjust the how many per seconds, how many time, like per seconds will one candle count. One candle should count, 1 15-minute candle should count 3 minutes per second. That's what I'm doing now. So you can see 3 minutes, 3 seconds, then one candle will count. Every 3 seconds, one candle, 1 15-minute candle will count. So I'm going to start with the weekly, daily, 4 hours, and then 1 hour. So what I'm trying to do is let me go back to the daily time frame. Okay. Kilo Shele, which day be this? April 2025. This is April 2025. The painful part with this is that you can't reverse it. Oh my God. I don't want to go to USD JPY. I'm talking about Euro JPY. I know. Oh, God of Israel. I just enter Euro JPY now. Maybe Euro JPY be this. I click play. It's supposed to take me to Euro JPY, correct? Now I'm going to the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame. It's taking me back to USD JPY. I don't know because this thing has switched. Let's wait for it to load. I'm not going to use, maybe because I saved the chart, which I'm just going to edit the chart. Before I go load, make I edit and save now. God, you go through a lot. See, don't change again. What did they happen? What did they happen? I'm so tired. Bro. This is what I go through every time I'm trying to make this video. But if I'm not making any video, you see, it will work very, very fast. I'm picking Euro JPY again. This time I will just start from what month are we now? I think we are in April. Okay, April 25. I will start from May. I will start from or Sunday of May. Then I will proceed. In case you are just doing it, they don't allow 1 year. For you to cross like 1 year back, you need to subscribe. So I need to, since we are in April, I need to start in May. You understand? In May of last year. So you don't allow 1 year and one year past data. So for you to use 1 year past data, you have to subscribe. So let me see. I will just edit the chart from here instead of using that, because I saved the chart. So anytime I try to use that chart setting, it will take me back to USDJPY. But it wasn't like this yesterday when I used it. So you can see the frustration. Blood of God. This is like a day in my life. I've like this is really annoying, frustrating. Not show green again. Better. I will edit the chart by myself. I know the setting before. I'll just do the needful. Okay. Use black, 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 and then green. Or should I use this green? I will use this green. Then Canva, none. So for those who wants to know about my chart setting, this is how my chart setting is. For the Canva, we use F7 rather. I don't want to use F9. F9 will be too dark a little bit, so I will use F7. So for the time, I'm using Nigerian time, so I'll just take it to Lagos. I think it's already there. See, Lagos. So we'll proceed to the higher time frame. I'm starting from the weekly time frame. So what I want to do is this. I've been having some series of missed trade and losses and so on and so forth. So I'm trying to backtest it and see what's going on. I mean my current strategy. So after that, I will have another edition again where I will try to fix. I'll try to fix everything. So this is RJPY. I don't trade the RJPY. I'm just picking a fresh pair. So just to see how the strategy aligns with the pair. You understand me, right? So what I'm going to do is this. I'm picking Euro USD now. Then try to trade with my previous strategy or my current strategy to try to see what is going on. You understand? Then before I will move on to maybe trying to fix it, refine and the rest. You get me, right? So this is how it is. So I'm starting from the weekly time frame, right? I'm starting from the weekly time frame. Let me add this here. So I'm starting from the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame, this is 2025 May. So let me add this. And maybe let me just save this rather. Let me save this chart. Okay, I've saved this chart now. All right, let's start. So from the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, we can see that price has been bullish before now. You can see from here, price has been bullish. Can you see that? Now, since price has been bullish, we ought to be looking for the buy until the bullishness stop. Correct? So if the bullishness has to stop, it will stop from the weekly time frame. So more like any time frame the storyline started, that is the time frame where it ought to end. Are you with me? Anywhere the time frame started, that is where it ought to end. So if it starts on the daily time frame, 4 hour time frame, it should end on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? It must not end from the previous structure, like what I mean from here. It must not end from the previous structure. It can end somewhere from the current structure. This is a current time frame. It can end from something like this, and it can also end from the previous structure, previous high or low, depending on the trend. Are you with me? So since we have something like this, the bullish storyline has already started, and from what we can see that we have a break from here. Can you see that we have a break from there? So since we have a break from there, meaning that price is still looking for the buy. Am I right? Price is still doing what? Looking for the buy. So what I'm going to do now is look for area to start looking for the what? For the buy. You know, sometimes this is a Sunday. Okay, we are starting up from a Monday. So sometimes when you have a bullish storyline, that week might not even buy. I'm going to draw a schematic. I'm going to make it a little bit of understanding after this section. I'm going to draw something and try to make it a little bit understandable. So when you have a bullish storyline from the day or from the week, sometimes that day might not even buy. You have a bullish storyline, you are supposed to buy that day. That day might not even buy. That day might take the whole day to sell. Then later it will buy. That is it. Because why? Because of reversal. Let's say a bullish storyline started from here. The next day you are supposed to be looking for the buy. Am I right? Now, if the next day you are supposed to be looking for the buy, do you know that the next day can take the whole day to drop to the downside for where you want to look for the buy before finally buying? That is what I am talking about. Sorry about that. That is what I'm talking about. So since we are looking for the buy, we can look for the buy from somewhere. And where could that be? We have this key level. We have this key level. And we have this key level. Alright? Now let me remove this. Do you know why I'm going to remove it? It's because of this key level. This was the level. This was the level that gave us a break or structure to the upper side from here. Are you with me? That was the level that gave us a break or structure. So what price is doing for me? What price is doing? We might just have a refinement. So price is attracting to a level from the lower time frame before we start buying. Meanwhile, it can just be price is coming to here, using here as liquidity to drop down. You understand? Since we have already broke through here. But let's just see what happened. Correct? Let's see what happened. Don't mind my what is it called? My lighting. My lighting is really, I don't know, but that's fine. I'll try to get another one maybe soon. So this is what we have. I'll go down to the daily time frame now to see. This is on Friday. So we are starting the analysis from on Monday. So we will allow on Friday to play out. We will allow on Friday to play out, then before we can start doing what? Doing something. So on Friday has finally played out. We have on Monday now. So we are waiting for Monday to play out. Monday is still playing. So let's just watch and see. Let me pause. Let me go back to weekly time frame. Oh, sorry. It has even go up. Oops. This was the previous week, sorry. This was the previous week, so you can see that price has even used it. Correct? Sorry, we are in a new week now. This is the new week, and we are supposed to be looking for the buy. So since price is coming from here, since price is coming from here, we should have a reversal, a place of reversal. So I am using here for the reversal. So the weekly is bullish, so we are supposed to be looking for the buy. Are you with me? So since price has rejected this key level, we have what? We have a bullish breakout from the lower time frame. No need going there. We have a bullish breakout, so we're expecting price to reject from here, and then we'll come here. You can see the bullish breakout, right? This is a bullish breakout. So we want price to come reject from here, then we'll continue the buy. Are you with me? So let's see how price rejects it. This is on Monday. I don't trade on Monday that much, but let's see how price rejects it. Then we start looking for something special. Okay, still have drop. Okay, still have drop. I don't trade on Monday, so wait for it to play out. Okay, now price has dropped to the downside. That doesn't mean that price will not still react. Remember, the week is really long. So from that week, I could refine to something else. So if I should refine, I can refine to here. Can refine to here. So let's see, why am I refining to here? This is a support level, a resistance level rather, and you can see price has tested it before finally breaking it. Are you with me? So since price has tested it before, let's see how price use it for the support. So let's go. So once price tests it, I'm going to okay, price has tested it. Okay, finally broke through it. Okay, let's just see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. If it close and give us a breakout, I'm trading only Euro USD now, so if it close and give us a breakout, okay, it has closed. So let's see, this is a key level, right? That's a V-shaped level, right? So price has rejected it. Let's check if it gives us a breakout. If it doesn't even give us a breakout, we'll still look for the buy. I will look for the buy personally, because why? Although there's something I still want to see, like a breakout of what's it called, a candle breakout, where one candle engulf another candle. So we just have the what's it called, the line from that place. What's going on now? My connection is good. Like, I don't know if you can see, my connection is better. I'll go another time frame lower again if you go open. I'll go another time frame higher. It's open. Lower. No open. Lower. You know open. Lower. It's open. Ah God. If no be frustration be this. Tell me waiting be this. Just tell me, say waiting be this. 4 hours no go open. 1 hour no go open. What? Definitely open. Oh God. No better for wait. I didn't get that confirmation. No. Confirmation I'm looking out for. I didn't get something like that. But what kind of which candle be this one? Which candle be this one? Which candle be that? It's not there for higher time frame. What candle is that? This is a new day. Price started the bearish story line from the 4 hour time frame. Break here and break here. Let's see how price rejects here. Let me say it. Okay. Let's see how price rejects there on the higher time frame. Then we will start looking for something different. Let's just see how price rejects there. If price close above it, we'll start looking for the buy. But let's see. This is on Tuesday. Price finally broke it. You see why I said I will still want to buy, but the confirmation is not here, and I don't want to force anything. The confirmation is not here, but there is no problem. Let's just see how it closes. If it closes well, then we will use like a resistance tone support. You understand me? Let's see from the 4 hour time frame. Price has closed. Okay. Price is starting with 4 hours storyline. This is on Tuesday, right? Oh, Wednesday. Oh. Shy. Nobody get any setup. Oh, no problem. Okay, there will be a setup. Okay, now it's a decision time. Look at this carefully now. Look at this carefully. Actually do that. I don't know. I didn't realize you can actually do that. Price is rejecting there. On the daily time frame now, let's say I want to pick an entry. On the daily time frame local, we have support and resistance. That means price can test here and push to the upper side. We have a V-shaped level from here. Correct? Meaning price can come here. we also have a what? A key level from here. This is where I'm looking for the entry from the lower time frame. But let me just use the radar. What time frame is this? What time is this? Okay, we just open. So let's see how this present candle close, because this is the Asian time. See, we've got mitigation. Can you see now we've got mitigation from there, and price is going to the upside now. So let's see if we can try to get something, because price is and price is not rejecting any key level. How did we say price to reject this key level? Now it would have been better. This is 7 o'clock. Let's see. Bololo. And I can't take aggressive entry from that level. Like aggressive entry from here, I can't take it. No, it doesn't make sense, because like what I said, we have other zones from the bottom side. So I can't take aggressive entry from here. So I will have to wait. But time they go. I will have to wait. This is on Thursday. Bro. On Friday. We went out Friday now. Can't sell. I don't want to sell. If I ever need to sell, I need a better confirmation for me to sell. I need a better confirmation from before I could sell. For now, I can't sell. On Friday. You see? I can't sell. But I can buy. The reason why I will buy is because price is creating that what is it called? A shape level, price rejected 4 hours, rejected 4 hours. Since this one is not coming from anywhere, 4 hours rejected 4 hours. This, what time is this? 10:02 p.m. So I will just take my trade from here and I will target this 4 hour level. So it will be something like this. I can do something like this. I can do something like this. Target here. This is the only trade for the whole of the week. This is the only trade. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, TP. You see that now? We have what? TP. And this is like 1 to 7 arrow. First trade. It's not. See, I backtested. I think should be Oxy USD. I backtested Oxy USD, bro. I backtested Oxy USD for like straight 2-3 months. If you see the SM, if you see the SM I collect, I haven't touched Euro JPY. I said I tried to open the graph so that today I could access it, then start from it today. But I've tried to backtest Oxy USD, bro. Even USD JPY, it was now just some few trade for USD JPY, not just the TP. If you see it's like I was even traumatized analyzing those pair, like backtesting those pair with my strategy. I was traumatized. Like I won't cry at the backtest. I won't cry because I was asking myself, what is going on? What is going on? I was asking myself, what is going on? What is going on, bro? What is going on? So we've gotten that one. So this was the only trade we got for the whole of the week. I would have, if I actually knew this is what was happening, I would have gotten my entry from, let's say, somewhere here. That's where I would have gotten my entry from, the higher time frame you can see. I would have gotten my entry from there. But nothing still spoil, nothing bad. We still got something for the whole of the week. We got 1 to 7 arrow. You know, people trade 1 to 1 arrow. They use 1 week to find 5 arrow. Sometimes they will still get lost. But you know, our risk will be differ, because those ones that do 1 to 1 arrow, they can just risk like 2%, 5%. But meanwhile, we can just be risking 1% or 0.5% on a trade. So there's difference, yeah. There's difference. So we just had that. This is on Friday. Okay, that is on Monday now. On Monday, it's TP. Oh, I got the trade on a wrong timing. I can't trade on this time. Most times if I feel lock up, say I beg trading not finish for today. Or I might not even trade down on Friday. See, but the trade still plays out. So this is on Friday, 18 o'clock. That should be like 6 p.m. if I don't, 6 p.m. And this is on Monday, Asian time. So they just play out. Let's see the new week now. Since the past week has ended, let's see what is going on for the new week. So this is what we had for the new week. You can see how we were able to come up with something meaningful. Meanwhile, our target is still this high. Weekly started, we need to end from the weekly. All right, so let's see, what are we going to look at for now? This is where I'm going to look at for. Expect the new week to mitigate that OCL, then we will drive. Are you with me? Expect the new week to mitigate that OCL, then we will what? We will drive. Our target is still the weekly high. So meanwhile, we still have other levels that price can mitigate, such as this OCL from the daily time frame. And we still have like this V-shape, but that on Monday needs to close first before this V-shape can be called a V-shape, because this Monday candle is what is 4 minutes. So let's wait for what happened on Monday. On Monday we are supposed to be looking for the buy, but we have an obstacle from here. We have an obstacle from here. So let's see what happened. Okay, price broke it. That is our Asian time, correct? Asian time. So no New York yet. Okay, New York has opened. So we are having like a support stone resistance from the day. Let's see how it goes. Okay, if it close, then we'll get something like this. See the way they fly. See the way this way they fly. Something I go follow you, drag, reach the end. It's just the rush. Just the rush. Waiting now. If you want to hit target, if you hit them. Let's see if same thing happen. No good time frame lower than that. We have hit the weekly target. So we have hit the weekly target. Let me remove this. See the way I'm backtesting it? I'm backtesting like a real life chart data. Alright, let's I'm backtesting it now. So let's see that we are still on the weekly time frame. I think we should be on Tuesday. On Monday safe. Wow. So let's see, the week just started. Okay, on a new day now. The chart is scatter like mad. So we have this opportune resistance. We expect price to drop to it, and then we start looking for something meaningful. Regarding this is what weekly obstacle, and also a daily key level. Well, we expect price to drop to that level. We're expecting something like this. So 4 hours has also started a what is it called, a storyline, but this is our Asian time. We don't trade this time. See, you see how it's dropped. We don't trade this time. If it push upper, we are in the London session now. This is our London time, London session. So if I want to do something, I can do something like this. Since 4 hours is rejecting 4 hours and it's dropping, and also rejecting daily obstacle, daily obstacle or the daily key level, it's still a plus for us. We'll just target this level. So let's see what the week has for us. This thing will just scatter by itself. It will just scatter. Which kind of shot with this? 4 hours. Shit. I need something, but no problem, Sha. I'll get something like this. This is not what I'm looking for. This will give me one to this is not what I'm looking for. I'm supposed to do something like this. This is something I want to do, but I don't. At least it should give me at least 1 to 4. Something reasonable. If you just get big stop loss like that for West now, I will leave it like this. If it means, it means. If you give me a sell, no problem. As you see. I say why I am counter trading, and this is the normal time I am out to trade. I am counter trading, and this is what happened to me. Counter trading is really, really bad. Counter trading is really, really bad. See as this guy is flying. So we had one SL, we had one win. So if you can count them for me, no problem. But this is what I would actually do on the live chart. What time is this? What time is this? Time to go. And this is on Tuesday, so we'll just wait till Wednesday. Wednesday the ratio, so we can go back to the daily time frame to see. Okay, on the daily time frame, this is where I am anticipating for price to come to. Then we'll drive to the upper side. Are you with me? Then we'll drive to the upper side. We still have other obstacle here, or targets rather, for price to mitigate. We have here, okay, weekly key level from here to Salani. Then daily is rejecting daily. Weekend price can drop to this level. Do you know why I say price can drop to this level? Because this level has created what is it called? Have you seen the lovey? Oh no no, oh no 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 no. Yeah? This level has created what they called what is it called? Range before the push. So this level now is not like where price can come to before driving to the upper side. I don't know if you get me. There's a range. Now what happened right here? Price created liquidity before, so it will look like something like this. Before the buy. Can you get me? Do you understand what I just drew now? So, but that doesn't mean that if price come here, I will not still look for the buy. I will look for the buy. Alright, so don't get me wrong. So just do something like this. Let's see. This is on Wednesday. Let's see what happened. If price will still start running to the upper side, let's see what happened. Okay, you see our price is dropping now, and that should be our Asian time. Asian time, Wednesday. See, let's see what happened. Okay, you see our price broke it, but that doesn't mean that we still do not have a key level below. So we just anticipate for what price we do on all this level. If price feel it, then we still have another level down. Okay, you see price is going to the outside. Okay, that means price that means hold on. Okay, you see, now we have a better level for price to do what? Buy from. I can just do something like this. I can do something like this. Now we have liquidity. You see what I'm telling you guys. This is my liquidity zone. What time is this? 10 in the morning. So I can do something like this. All right, I can do something like this. I can do something like this. Then target this high. Meanwhile, the storyline, the bearish storyline started from here, from the 4 hour time frame, but we are not trading in the 4 hour time frame, we are trading the other time frame. 4 hour storyline started from there. Price can also use here. We are just anticipating storyline started from there, so we need it to end from here. Started here, end here. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. Price. Oh God. You see what price is when price has already given us like 1 to 3 from here already. But the main target is within here. Since price has rejected this key level now, we can say 4 hours reject 4 hours. You see, there's a breakout, so meaning that we can still start looking for the buy. There's a breakout, we can look for the buy from here, we can look for the buy from here or from the current structure. Let's just see. Let me remove everything so that it will be clear. So let's see what happens. If price will still buy or still sell, we'll anticipate for a buy rather. A sell. Well, the time the sell came in, I can't be trading by that time. Sleep the cash me like mad. Not doing my eyes already. Although that's how my eyes is sharp. Sleep the cash me, bro. So we got SL, 2 SL, 1 TP now for the past 2 weeks. 2 SL, 1 TP. So this means that my age or my what is it called strategy can give me something better. So we still have a key level from here. Let's just see. The reason why I say I can't be trading by that time. Look, when this sell came in, that means this drop, I'm talking about this drop now, came in around 22 hours. That means that is 10 p.m. Asian time. Since I don't trade Asian time, maybe I would have been hard on the trade, or maybe just free it anyhow, SL or TP, you know. But since we've gotten that SL, let's see what happens next. We still have a drop. Okay, Asian time. Let me see what happened on the day. Since we're on a new day, let's see what's going to happen. It's going to close. It's going to close. Okay. Okay. We just enter new day on Wednesday, or Thursday rather. We just enter on Thursday. Now, if you look right here, this is a support level. Got tested and dropped. Meanwhile, we still started the storyline from here. Meaning that we can start looking for the sell from here. From here. Can you see that? Can you see that? So let's look right here. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. And go to the 1 hour time frame. Refine it. We are going to target now. Since 4 hours is bearish, or since the daily is bearish. A place where I go target now, I call hard me so. We'll target anywhere now. Targeting safe now. Wow. Okay. Let's say I'll do something like this. This is better for me. Do something like this. What time is this? 11 a.m. I'll do something like this. And just cover this up. What's it called? Just target here. 1 to 6. Let's see if it will work out. Or we'll get another essay again. Didn't work out. Didn't work out. What time is this? Go to more essay that week. Missed one. Have you seen the love here? I hate when price is too volatile and it doesn't give you those area for interest, those places where you'll be like, okay, I want price to come to this level. I hate it. You know, this is on Friday. We just enter Friday Asian time. Let's see what happened the next day. Asian time. Okay, we enter. Okay. 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 So can it be like price is rejecting the weekly key level to start a bearish story line? To start a bearish story line? Wow. So this is on Friday. If on Friday doesn't give us a better, we're starting a bearish storyline soon. We are starting a bearish storyline soon. 4 hours is rejecting 4 hours. 1 hour. Let's see what 1 hour gives to us. Shit. No breakout. No breakout. Okay. This blue candle now. This black candle. I think gave us the breakout. Let's check. Give us to the downside. The heli. We have 4 hours reject 4 hours. 4 hours reject 4 hours. 1 hour did not give us a breakout. A lot of people will still look for the buy from me. But this is just an obstacle from what I'm seeing. It's an obstacle from the bearish storyline that is about to start from the daily and weekly. You see, price is coming from here now. We need to trade. This is on Friday. Let's see how this candle close. This present 4 hour time frame. Let's see how it close. If it close bearish or bullish, we will still look for the buy. Okay. So it closed bullish, meaning that is a candle that gave us a breakout on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour reject 1 hour, 4 hours reject 4 hours, 1 hour give us a breakout, give us a breakout, anyone that you want to mark as breakout, right? So since it gave us a breakout, we ought to be looking for the what? For the buy. So I'm going to look here for the buy. So I'm doing something like this. Targeting this high. Okay, targeting that high, or rather this one. Depend if see time already go far. Which kind? Let's see. I'm not seeing price getting to this level. I'm just doing it for protection sake. I don't want to take chances. So I can just do something like this rather and get a better risk to reward. But because I don't want to take chances, it's fine. I can do something like this. I will just go with 1 to 6. That is better than taking that SL. So let's see. Breathe out. Three S, 1 TP, 1 missed trade, 3 S. That's fine. Let's move on. Let's proceed. 3 SA, 1 TP, 1 missed trade. That's fine. What's next? If you still look at this, we are trying to counter. Remember, one of those SA we got was part of countering. It was part of countering trade. But if you still look at this, we still got this SA based on countering as well. Because from here we had a key level. And you see, price respected it. So from this weekly reject, 4 hours gave us daily gave us a breakout. Can you see that? We had a breakout from there. So meaning that the whole of the week we should be looking for the sell. That doesn't mean that the whole of the week can buy before we start looking for what? For the sell. Can take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to do this push to the upper side. And it can take the next week to drop. You understand the mass now? So I'm just doing it like I am, So we have a break. Let me just use it as like a support zone resistance, right? Maybe like a support zone resistance. So weekly, okay, going back to the line chart. So we have this, going back to the daily time frame. So this is on Monday. I mostly do not trade on Monday. Let's see what happened. We have this obstacle, daily obstacle. We have that daily obstacle. No wonder. We have that obstacle, daily obstacle. What with this one? Gap. Not that they show for the daily time frame, so bad. I didn't even notice that something like that happened. Daily obstacle. Jesus, this guy not calm down. Monday. Okay, on Tuesday. So this is on Tuesday. We are supposed to be looking for the buy to target this resistance on support that happened right here. And this level, maybe do something like this. But this is Asian time, so I don't trade that time. So let's just see. Maybe a London session will do it. I don't know. Okay, London session, we had this liquidity here. Let me use the trend line. We have that liquidity here. So if we can get a tap in before the buy, okay, to be better, SL. This guy's giving me bad image. When I contribute money for me, I won't go sign work. When I contribute money for me, I don't tire, I won't go sign work. Here comes 5 SL 1 TP, 5 SL 1 TP. She be that TP, so the money never finish. Huh? 50 can't sell again. Shit. Says you buske. You go sell, watch, you go sell. Because why? You don't they can't create the momentum of selling. What time is this? This is 6 o'clock. Oh, don't enter new deal. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what happened on the daily time frame. Price rejecting that key level. Okay, price rejecting that key level. Do we have a breakout to the upper side? Can we demarcate it? Let's see if we have a breakout to the upper side. From that day. Let's see if we have a breakout to the upper side from that day. We don't have a breakout, but we have candle break. We have candle break. You want to do something like this? If you want to do something like this, how about the storyline that has already started from here? How about the storyline that has already started from here? Or would you say the storyline from here has ended? Do you think price rejected that level? Okay, if price rejected, okay, price rejected it. 1 hour should give us a breakout. Okay. But mostly we want to take that trade aggressively. We want to take this trade aggressively. So we don't want to use confirmation and entry. But it did not give us a confirmation. Rather, it has already started a bearish confirmation. Something like this. Don't start to, when you go dump now. But it has a bullish storyline, you can see. When I send me money, I want to sign work. Send me money, please. I want to go and sign work. I go sign mechanic work, better pass this thing. What it be this? 4 hours again, they reject this key level, giving us Let's see anyway. Let's see how it ends. Let's see how this SL will end. We don't see any drop. We go drop for your SL. You see, I'm oye, ready. Ogenemigo. Price already come here, so let's just take it like price is rejecting the key level from here. Can't see that anyway because it doesn't align. What bit fits it is this key, this level. That's what fits the daily key level. But since it is something like this now, how many years I don't call it safe? How many years here? Look like 6. TBC safe. 1 TPO. So this is on Thursday. On Thursday, what time is this? Asian time. Let's wait for it to close. If it closes, we'll get something. Okay, the daily is coming from here. This is where the daily is coming from. Let me show you. The daily is coming from here, correct? Now, on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hours is coming from multiple places, like here, yeah. That's where price is coming from the what? Daily time, 4 hour time frame. But for the daily time frame, price is coming from here. We have a resistance, a support level from here. Price broke it, tested it, come down. Even if you say make you will do something like this, price go still do you wickedness, because what is this week for? What is that week for? What is that week for? So price is currently dropping now. Let's see what the 4 hour time frame has for us, since we're supposed to be looking for this sell. Price is coming from here. Let's use here for the continuation trade. If price doesn't come here, we'll use that level. Price, you can see. And now I'm not going to settle down, analyze, and now it can come. You can see how price is it before it drop. It was too fast, so I would have gotten that. I've gotten something like this. What happened here is just what is it called? Continuation trade, yeah. You can pick whatever thing you want to learn from me too. So this is a continuation trade. I target this level, which is the 4 hours obstacles for the daily time frame. That is it. Give me 11 arrow. Sometimes safe, sometimes price will take out this high. This high, despite having a key level, despite having a zone from the lower time frame, price will still take it out before dropping. It happens like that. The SL where you could collect, you know, if you miss them, you must collect them. But if your strategy or your edge gives you something better, I really think congratulations to you. But for us, the win rate is really low, like 50%. It's, even from what you can see, it's even lesser than 50%. Apart from this one that just did now, that means like 2 trade HTP. Before that, you collect better SL. So you will be risking like 0.5 just because of the SL that you will be taking higher than the win. So whenever you take SL, since you raise 0.5, you still have multiple amount of money to risk again. So that's when you risk again, the arrow will cover everything. So if you have a good win rate, you have a better risk to reward. Congratulations to you. A good win rate, a better risk to reward, like let's say 1 to 5 risk to reward, or 1 to 7, 1 to 10 risk to reward with a good win rate. Congratulations to you. You are far better than 50 to 70% of traders. Far better. So you see how we are able to at least catch something on Thursday. See how we were able to catch something on Thursday. What I did, I just got where price is coming from that day. So I just try to drive with the wave, with the move. You understand? So let's continue. It's on Thursday. Once it's closed, we'll try to do something like support stone resistance, then we'll continue again, just like that. Just waiting for it to close now. Wait, let me check. That sell that happens. Okay, Asian time. Okay, that's closed. So we'll do something like support on resistance, because why? Price, you can see multiple tests. 1, 2, break. So we're like anticipating for that test. Now we are not going to sell aggressively from that test. What we are going to do is wait, or maybe if we go to the lower time frame, there's a key. There's no key zone. You can see there's no key zone. So let's wait for the first 4-hour time frame to close. Then from there we'll get what we are looking for. Okay. So once it closed, okay, it has closed. Now it has closed, rejecting that support stone resistance, and this is what it gives us on the lower time frame. We have this and we have this. What level now are you going to pick? You have to key level now for the sale. What level are you going to pick? What level are you going to pick? This is a solid question. Okay. Now on the daily time frame, in the daily time frame, we have this. This is our London session. There is our London session. So London just opened 6 o'clock. We'll start looking for the what? For the sell from here. Let's say something like this. Target previous day low. So let's say it aligns with the daily time frame. Oh, this is what happened. So let's just take it a little bit higher, because if price wants to mitigate this level, we have enough space. We have enough space for it to drop. So altogether, we are coming out with 1 to 6 around. So let's say it goes. I said. This is really, really serious. This is serious. This is serious. Okay, they just notify me that my space is running out. Ah, shit. This is serious. See? For the reversal. Bro, there was time that everything was working fine. Like, no issue. Everything was working fine. I don't know. Everything was working fine. Then all of a sudden, things change. I don't know what happened. The losses started coming. Like, things change. There's no matter a day. If say I go wrong, it may be either tight or sell. Direction must be right. Okay, we are still on that day, so let's see what happened. If we have a drop from the 4-hour time frame, we'll still continue again. See, just imagine. Can you see the drop now? That's a black person. They suffer, guys. They suffer. We could contribute money for me, make a sign work. When I contribute money for me, make a sign work. I beg, please, 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 please. What time is this? I beg, my sign work. My sign work, I beg. Supposed to be looking for the sale for that day. What happened? Why the price sell from here? Why not? Why the price sell from here? Why not here? I'm going to end the life now. Why not even this OCL rather? Why did price break here? Why did, shit. I got everything I needed for this sale. Actually got everything I needed for this sale. That's fine. Please, I dey beg you now. I am begging you people with the precious name of God, with the God that you serve. Please, I am begging you. I'm on my knees. Send me money, please. Let me go and sign work. Forex trading is not for me. Please, I am begging you people. Forex trading is not for me. I am giving up now. I don't give up. I want to do another thing. I want to learn another thing. I beg. Small time now, go see I do the ask it. Once you see I do the ask it, I beg. Mind your business. Send me money to continue my life. I don't live for this for now. You people should send me money, please. This thing to torment me. Please, I am begging you people. Send me money. Let me end this now. Send me money.